ठीक है. Again, repeating the question, we have to prepare a number which is greater than 5,000 using this digit, and then find the probability when the digit is divisible by 5. Okay, and there are two cases are given when digits are repeated, and in second part repetition of digit is not allowed. So now we come to first part, the digits are repeated. ठीक है. So first of all we find the total outcomes. ठीक है. Now listen carefully. देखिए total outcomes how we find. ठीक है. First of all, this is given that the number is greater than 5,000. It means the number should be started either from 5 or 7. है ना, in digits में a number that is started with 5 and 7, that will be the greater than 5,000. So this place can be filled either by 5 and 7 in how many ways? The two ways. No problem, the 1,000 place. Okay. ठीक है. Because the repetition is allowed, no problem. The rest three places can be filled by either of these 5 digits. So it can be filled in 5 ways because the repetition is allowed with 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Similarly, repetition allowed. The tens place can be filled with 1, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7. Similarly, ones place can be filled in 4, 1, 3, 5, 7. ठीक है. First of all, we are finding the total outcomes. ठीक है. When the digits are repeated and the number is greater than 5,000. So total outcomes will be equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 minus 1. I'm explaining why I'm writing the minus 1 here. Just first of all multiply this 249. देखो, why we are writing minus 1? Because this is given that the number is greater than 5,000, not 5,000. ठीक है. Suppose कर लीजिए कोई केस ऐसा आया. Here we are writing 5. Okay, and the repetition of digit is allowed. So these places can be filled with 0, 0, 0. ठीक है. But what we have given, the number is greater than 5,000. So we can't include the 5,000 here. That's why what we are doing, we are subtracting 1 from here. 5,000 will not come in this total number of outcomes. ठीक है, because it is given in question, the number is greater than 5,000, not equal to. That's the reason we are subtracting 1 from the total outcomes. Okay. So the total outcomes are 2 into 5 into 5 into 5 minus 1. 250 minus 1, 249. Is it clear why we are subtracting minus 1? Reply please. Okay. This is the total number of outcomes. So the total number of outcomes in first part are 249. Okay. Now we come to the favorable outcomes. ठीक है, हमें क्या चाहिए favorable outcomes में? Favorable outcome में है the number is divisible by 5. Okay, listen carefully. Greater than favorable outcomes I'm writing here. Any number divisible by 5, its units place should contain either 5 or 0 and both the digits. हमें digits क्या दिए यहाँ पे? 0, 1, 3, 7, 5. ठीक है. So unit place can be filled in 2 ways, either by 5 or 7. ठीक है. Okay, and the number is greater than 5, so the 1,000 place filled by 5 or 7 in 2 ways. And because the repetition of digit is allowed, the 110th place can be filled either from these 5 digits in 5 ways, है ना, इसमें कुछ भी आ सकता है. You can fill this place either with 0, 1, 3, 7 or 5. ठीक है. So total number of favorable outcomes will be equal to 2 into 5 into 5 into 2 minus 1. Again minus 1. Why? Suppose देखो ये 5 से start हो रहा है. Here 0 are coming and these places are filled with 0 0. So you'll get the 5000. But it is given question the number is greater than 5000. ठीक है. So we are subtract minus from 1 from the favorable outcomes also. Okay, clear? Now what we get here? You will get here 100 minus 1, 99. Okay, okay. So the probability number is divisible by 5 will be equal to, here the favorable outcomes are 99 and the total outcomes are 249. So divided by table of 3. So the answer is 33 by 83. Okay, this is the answer. 33 by 83. ठीक है बेटा. First part is clear. Yes, reply.